Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a BelleTress wig called Biscotti Babe. And the color on Biscotti Babe is Cayenne with Ginger Root, which blends in really well with this door. But this color is gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so you can see it in a little bit better detail. So you can see this is a really nice, dynamic, dark auburn. It's a little bit like Noriko's chestnut color, except it's a little toned down. It's not quite as vibrant, and it's also way less shiny because it's a heat-friendly synthetic fiber. And then up here we've got a really nice dark brown root. I love this Biscotti Babe wig. I think it's adorable. I love the wave pattern that it comes with. It looks kind of like old-fashioned finger waves, just a little bit. Let me go ahead and turn around for you so you can kind of see what I mean. The texture is just super cute on this one. And check out the lack of poofiness on this one as well. This one sits really nice and close to the face. So even though this one is heat-friendly synthetic and you technically could style it, why would you? This one has such cute texture that that's probably going to be 90% of why you would buy this one in the first place. So just kind of leave it alone. At least that's my opinion. It's super cute on its own. This is straight out of the box, by the way. So you can see how dense that lace front is. That's a dense lace front. And that's also quite a dense monofilament part there. This one's super cute. So Biscotti Babe has basically the same length all the way around. It's anywhere from 10 to 13 inches. I'd say just assume like 11-ish because it's curled, and that's part of the reason why the measurements are what they are. The overall is anywhere from 10 to 13 inches. Again, that completely depends on how curled it is, but the way it comes right out of the box, it's closer to like 11 or 12. So it's 4.8 ounces. It feels really nice and comfortable on. I'm going to go ahead and take Biscotti Babe off now so I can show you the cap construction. Biscotti Babe has a hand-tied lace front and a monofilament top, as well as open sides, open back, a really nice extended felt nape. It's adjustable a bit like a bra strap here in the back, and also has really nice soft felt here on the ear tabs. This wig does not have any permatease in it whatsoever, which is the biggest reason why this wig sits so close to the head, and there's no bump it in this wig. It's very sleek. The hair feels great on these BelleTress wigs. It's got a really nice sort of baby fine texture to it, very similar to the John Rideau fiber, except it's got a bit more silicone on it, so it's not as dry feeling. It's a really luscious feeling heat-friendly synthetic. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on for you. Check out the lack of poof. Yeah, this one is super cute. I highly recommend this one, especially if you've been having a difficult time finding one of these wavy wigs that doesn't have a ton of extra hair or a bunch of permatease. This one is just right. It's very pretty. The color selection may seem very limited because they've only got a handful of colors for these Cafe Collection wigs, but they're all really pretty colors. Like, the color palette is lovely. So you can't really go wrong. So with a lot of color, with a lot of brands, they may have a lot of colors to offer, but not all of them are that great. I can safely say that all of these Cafe Collection colors are actually really pretty. So, you know, sometimes there's an advantage to just limiting it to just a few select things, I guess. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you have a moment, be sure to check out my web store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.